guys? It's Professor NFT here. Like always, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. Big upcoming mint coming soon, Balloonsville. This project, you guys, looks super dope. It's really hyped up. So currently their website is down. So while I talk about this project, I'll show you guys some tweets, some sneak peeks of the project, some of their Discord as well. So Balloonsville wants the holders to have control of this project in the future. That is the idea that brought me to this project. I like the idea, especially with the way the Discord has been going off lately. The community looks really strong. So let's go ahead and see what they're minting at. They're minting at a price of 1 SOL. They are minting 2 days from now on the 5th of February. And their supply is 5,000. And yes, the team is doxed. So they actually have a whole YouTube video of them showing their face and saying who they are and talking about the future of this project and etc. So one of the first things they're implementing is a balloon bank. So when the sale ends, they're going to make 5,000 SOL off this whole project. And with that SOL, 1,000 of it is going to the Balloonsville game. So before I talk about the game, let me go ahead and hop on their Twitter here so I could show you guys some sneak peeks of their art. But like I was saying, so they're going to make the video game similar to Club Penguin, but in the Solana blockchain. That means most projects will be welcome to play with their holders. They're also creating a token you could stake, but you could actually only stake your balloon if you own a balloon home. That balloon home will be randomly airdropped the next few weeks after release, which means it's a good thing for us, you guys, which means less people will list on secondary marketplace. So that means price will go up. Plus that token you receive, you will be able to gamble with it, customize your own characters, mini games and more. So then the rest of the 5,000 SOL, which is 4K, will be a community fund. Let me show you some of the community here, some of the creations they created. So it's going to be a community fund that holders will have control over, and they want to create a mega DAO as well. So holders can communicate and spread some alpha. So the team is working tirelessly on this project. Most of the team, like I said, is doxed, you guys. Let me go ahead and see if I can show you the YouTube video. So there you go. That's the YouTube video. That's where they explain the future of this project, what they want to do with it, the roadmap. So go ahead, check out their YouTube as well. All right, that's all for me today, you guys. Go ahead and join their Discord. Go check out the creations here, the memes they have going on. Go ahead, follow people as well on Twitter. And one more thing for my subscribers out there. As you already seen, if you are in my Discord, I did do this alpha call. Try to join Blankies. It's a very low supply of 500. This is going to explode for sure. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, you guys. And until next time, you guys have a great one. I'm out. Peace.